BoomFi Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The BoomFi Wallet app is a rising star in the crypto payments world, built with a clear mission to make decentralized finance as simple as tapping your phone. But what are its real strengths and weaknesses? Let's find out. First, the pros. BoomFi's biggest advantage is simplicity. It allows users to send, receive, and manage crypto payments effortlessly, even if they've never used one before. With a clean design and fast setup, it's built for people who want real-world utility, not just trading. Another major strength is merchant integration. BoomFi empowers businesses to accept crypto payments directly, converting them instantly into stablecoins or fiat if desired. This bridges the gap between traditional finance and blockchain-based commerce, a major step toward crypto mass adoption. Security is also front and center. BoomFi uses multi-signature technology and end-to-end encryption, ensuring that transactions remain safe and transparent. Thus, it's non-custodial, meaning your funds and private keys stay in your control at all times. But no app is perfect. One con is limited token support. While BoomFi supports popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, it doesn't yet handle the huge variety of tokens that advanced DeFi users might expect. Another downside is ecosystem maturity. BoomFi is still new, which means fewer integrations and partnerships compared to older wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. That can limit where and how you use it for now. And finally, regulatory uncertainty could pose challenges, especially for merchants in regions where crypto payments are still under scrutiny. BoomFi's success will depend heavily on how laws evolve in the coming years. In conclusion, the BoomFi Wallet app is modern, secure, and focused on usability, an exciting glimpse into the future of crypto payments. If you're tired of complex interfaces and want a simple, business-friendly way to manage and spend your crypto, BoomFi is worth watching. It's not perfect yet, but it's definitely moving in the right direction toward mainstream crypto adoption.